Hi guys. So today is the first session of my art meet sessions, which I'm calling Strokes and Stories. And we are meeting today at Cubbon Park, and we will be learning MDF painting today. So there were lots of requests I was receiving on Instagram where people wanted to meet me, and I thought just meeting and gossiping isn't going to help anyone, right? So I have converted this into a meet and greet session with a little bit of learning. That means in different sessions, we will be learning different art forms or different styles. And today we are going to learn MDF painting. So I'm really excited to meet you guys. Let's see how it goes.
My mom was accompanying me. She was really excited to meet everyone. We woke up really early to prepare everything. We reached the venue in advance so that we can set up everything before everyone came. We had to find a good spot and also send the live location in the group so that everybody could spot us easily. Since Cubbon Park is a public space, there were high chances that we would not find a good spot. It was also a Sunday, that means the park was crowded. So I had to go there early just to make sure that we find a good spot, and then I would make it convenient for everybody to spot me. First of all, we set up everything, we put our bedsheet down, and then I organized all the art supplies that I had bring for everyone. I was providing everything that was required for the painting. So the participants did not have to bring anything. In this whole series of strokes and stories, since I wanted to make these workshops really affordable, I have chosen this public space. I tried contacting various cafes and venues, but the price or the registration fees would have gone much higher because of their commission. They do charge a very high fees per participant. And when I took my mom to show her the cherry blossoms in Cubbon Park, the idea clicked me, why not to conduct it here? It's gorgeous, and nothing can be more beautiful and creative than painting in the nature. When you're surrounded with fresh air, creativity flows better. So that's when I got this idea. Now we have everything set up. I have taken care to bring each and everything that would be required, including tissues. One of my most top priority was to make sure that nobody litters anything and we do not leave any type of garbage behind because it is gorgeous and that would be a crime. Slowly, people started coming and we had a great chat session. Everybody was asking questions about me, my journey. They were also sharing about themselves. Whenever someone would come, we would have their introduction. That is to make us understand and know them a little bit better. It was really great to have some art entrepreneurs also with us. So, along with my journey, we also got to discuss about their journey and experiences. Participants asked various questions from art to earning and my personal life as well. It was a great chit chat session. It was very refreshing. And especially since everything was happening among nature with chirping birds around, this was extremely relaxing. You can see my friend and my mom gossiping at my back. I had two of my friends come so that they could help me with taking pictures and videos. Also, I needed help since it was my first session. Once everyone had arrived and we had the introduction session over, we distributed the supplies. Everybody got to choose their own MDF cutouts. I had brought various different designs and some were extremely blank as well. So everybody chose their own based on their artistic capability and their likes and dislikes. We distributed all the supplies, including colors, brushes, palette, and water containers. And then we let our creativity flow. I was making sure that it is really comfortable for everyone and everybody is learning something. We started by having a basic introduction about MDF, what it is, how is it made, and then we started painting it. I was personally ensuring that everybody is comfortable and learning. I was going to each and every participant and making sure they are having no difficulty or no confusion while painting. I was helping them out one by one. So I was constantly moving around, making sure that they know what they're doing. And also, it is a productive session. I absolutely loved to see how people who have never ever painted anything, who have no art experience, they tried to paint, and it was really great to see them having fun. We had participants from all ages and different backgrounds. In the middle, I was also sharing lots of my personal art tips that I use in my projects. I've shared lots of my tips and tricks, shortcuts, and methods to help the participants out. There were lots of things that participants also shared with me about their art journey, and I learned a lot. It was a great learning experience, not just for them, but also for me. And definitely a memorable one because this was my first art meetup. And it became special because of the location. And I'm really happy that I chose Cubbon Park. It started getting little bit hot once the sun was up, but still everybody was very enthusiastic and determined to complete their artworks. It was great to see how they are trying to convert a blank canvas into something beautiful based on their creativity. They all had different ideas and different color combinations that they wanted to portray. They were able to convert even very simple and blank surfaces into amazingly beautiful artworks. During their painting journey, I also saw their love for their loved ones as they were painting something for their loved ones. For example, there was this one participant who painted a really beautiful cloud with her son's name on it. It was a really fun session that ended with lots of selfies, lots of pictures, and lots of smiles. Overall, it was a very great experience, and that's how our day ended. Now, I'm sharing some of the great pictures that we took during our workshop, and I absolutely love how beautiful their smiles are, how excited they are, and how much we all had fun together. I will definitely be conducting more of such sessions, and if you're interested, let me know. Bye.